Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. So what's left to do to start on my experimental horror film, the first one? Well, what I've done is I've started collecting all the items I'm going to use to create my color system and begin on that. So everything's going to be mechanical, setting that up in front of the camera, around the situation with the talent, and whatever else I've got to do to utilize that color grading system with the special effects, mechanical special effects that is, and the gore. So that's really all I got to do left, and get the talent later on in probably 2021 and then all the way through 2023 is what we're going to do. And as far as any type of stunt work goes, that's going to be continually planned out. But essentially, when all in all is said, it's just got to start filming. That's really it. So again, we know when that's going to start, 2021, late 2023, all the way through. And we're all looking forward to start shooting it. That's pretty much it in a nutshell. And we can't wait to get that done. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like and share our videos. Join our Barter, Buy, and Sell Morbid Team Entertainment group. Put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page. And do join Avant Garde Films Philippines. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.